base in place, then we'll be ready to go. Remember, we need your help to count down these guys when they get ready to go. Looks like Lakeshore Fire is ready to go. We're almost all ready to go. Are you? Pick your winner. 15 now, 1 at the end. Who's going to take it all? So get a little jumpy on the gas here. That's all right.
Is that what it is?
5, 4, 3, 2, drivers that are walking away, they gave their best. There's mechanical failures on their ride. Those are the takes some violent hits in there. How many times you find yourself in the Costco parking lot in your ride thinking you want to do the same as what these people are doing here, but you legally can't? Well, now we can do it here now, can't we? If they're still running, we're almost ready to go. 3, 2, 1, let's get in. Red flag. We got too many parts on this grass. Well, what was left of the grass anyways. We got too many parts. We got to pick them up. Souvenirs for the crowd. Take one home. Make a good keychain for your ride. Oh, here's a big one. Twofer. We got a twofer on that hit. Those little nudges that you see, that's to help get the cars untied from one another. That's what we came here to see, isn't it? If the 635 car has any power steering fluid left, we might be able to get out of that log jam. We still got some other ones moving here though. Believe it or not, the driver of the 635 is a valet car parker. And just got smoked. Just making sure, 827, just making sure. We got red flag. I see movement in the corner there. Oh, now it comes back to life. Here comes the hit. And a miss. 635's lining up or something. And here we go. If that was the Mad Dog, you gotta give it to either both of those drivers for that one there.
Look at that, they're connected. 2 for 1 kill.
That's what you get when you have your dirt signal on.
They're in the breeding now. What kind of car are they gonna make?
We got some movement though. I have a feeling not for very long. Is not going to run right after that hit. That was solid. And yet it still runs. Unbelievable. It's still moving. Maybe not for long, though.
Never mind. 635.
635 still has for first. ladies and gentlemen. You just saw that radio. To the driver of that Aussie car, well done, sir. To the driver of 635, congratulations, well driven. We started off with 15. We're now down to the 1. Look around. Some of the front ends and back ends of these vehicles, some of them still can run.
Hey, you want me to carry you pump?
The Aussie car is trying to put his car in park. Sir, I don't believe that thing's going anywhere too fast anytime soon.